All set now, ready to race. Race number 1. Good luck on your first pick 5. And the race on. Don't fool your wife. From the outside, rushing up is 5 star. Under, further outside, 2A Street Wire, Amazing Party. Intelligent Eyes running in 5th alongside 6 Pay Cut. And number 1, So Lucky, Kin Focus. While Connor Top Notcher is running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader. Don't fool your wife by about 3 lengths, followed by 5 star in second. Street Wire is racing in third by a length and a half. Amazing Party is racing in fourth as they race the last 500. Don't fool your wife by about 2 lengths. 5 star. Street Wire also rushing up as they race the final corner. Don't fool your wife. 5 star is running by Daryl. Street Wire on the outside. 5 star Street Wire and Don't Fool Your Wife in between runners, but 5 star the leader. And on the outside is Street Wire, and nearing the finish line, the Icebreaker 5 star with Jesse Basilio Guse. Second, 2A Street Wire, Don't Fool Your Wife, So Lucky, and Amazing Party.